Guys, I'm just going to quick go through this just in case you need help. You are to click on it, and when you click on it, it's going to give you a function, and then it's going to give you some notes about a function notation. So, like I said yesterday, instead of saying y equals 5x plus 1, you're going to say f of x equals 5x plus 1. Again, you can say start over there, which I didn't mean to do, I accidentally did. So now if I go to the next slide, I'm going to click solution, and it's going to show that 3 goes in there. And when 3 goes into the function machine, it is like replacing x with 3. So it'd be 5 times 3, which is 15 plus 1, which is 16. Okay, so when the function gets an input, it replaces the x value with the number, and then a number comes out. So I didn't mean to start over again. Okay, so for this next part, the best thing to do is just copy and paste, which I'm going to do right now and to show you the function, but then you have to plug in the value. So in this case, the value here for x is 4. So it's going to be a negative 2 times 4 minus 3. Okay, so that's how you would start that out. You would do the same thing for down here. You would cut and paste it, and then you would plug in where x is, you would plug in 4. Okay, so that's how you do it. I am going to look for you to be trying this, so you can't just put in nothing. You have to make some effort here. That's it. Thanks.